In this video, I am going to show you what you can do if you have just installed n8n with npm install n8n-g and you are facing this error is that and when you type n8n start it says that n8n is not recognized as an internal or external command. So let's see how you can fix that. First you have to check the folders where your npm where your n8n is installed. So I am going to the folder where my n8n is installed. Generally it is in your cd/c/users/ your username /appdata/roaming/npm. Now here if I do a ls command, it should show me the n8n files. As you can see that it has an n8n and n8n.cmd, and if I type n8n it says the same error. So I am going to run n8n.cmd. So as you can see that it is working and it is available on localhost 5678 port. So you can either directly copy this path and run it from here, or you can just set it to your environment variable so you can access it from anywhere with your command prompt. So I am going to do that. So first just copy this path and open your environment variables. Here go to the path section. Here double click and add a new path that you copied. Click on OK and then OK and one more time. Now I am going to check if this works. So as you can see that it is working fine, and this was it. So if you like this video, press a like. Thank you for watching.